Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're doing seafood stuffed mushrooms. I know a lot of people don't like mushrooms. Myself, I think they're a delicacy. I love them. I hope some of you all do too. So, let me show you how I make them. Alright y'all, let's get this started here. Got our mushrooms here and we're just going to pop the stems out, clean them out a little bit here, and we'll do about a dozen of these things. Now you want to save the stems because that's going to be part of the filling. So I'm going to do about a dozen of them, thereabouts. Alright, got about 12 of those in there, or 12 of those. So I'm going to move these back over here to this plate so I can have my chopping board. Because we're going to chop this stuff up here. That's going to be part of our mixture. So you don't want too big of pieces. Alright, that's going to do it for that. Dump this into our bowl and flick it everywhere. It'll be alright. Alright, got that. Just cleaned up here. Now to that, we are going to add, this is bothering me. Okay. Now to that, we are going to add 1 packet of well softened cream cheese. And don't have the dropsies like me. Get all that goodness, cream cheese off the paper, or wrapper, I should say. Alright, got that. Now, the original recipe said to use uncooked medium to small shrimp. I find it's easier if I just get the little canned shrimp. They taste the same because they're shrimp are shrimp. So we got that. And we're not really measuring things out. We're just going to put maybe a half a cup of shredded cheese in there. I'm using the sharp cheddar. And then the binder, we're using some Pinko. Again, about a quarter cup or so there. And then, to taste, I'm using Tony's Creole. And I like mine a little on the spicier side. So, we're going to put a little extra in there. So, that's probably a half a tablespoon or more. So, alright. Grab my spatula. just start mixing this stuff up. Apparently my spatula is not strong enough. There we go. Now we're getting her in there. Maybe. I might end up having to put this in the microwave for a few, because I've had the cream cheese sitting out for a while. And you know what? I always say the best mixing tool is your phalanges. So alright, got that all done. So now I'm going to clean my hands up, and we're going to stuff these, and then we're going to pop them in the oven and bake them. So let me get cleaned up here a little bit, and we'll get to stuffing. Alright y'all, got our oven preheating to 375 degrees. We're going to go ahead and stuff these suckers. So there's going to be more than plenty of the stuffing mixture. So we're just gonna stick it on there. And we may end up doing the rest of those mushrooms that we already had cleaned up. Make sure you get it packed down in there good. You can take a spoon and go down in like that, but I just pack them up, that's all. Pack them full. And I know there's some people out there that don't like mushrooms, but sorry about your luck, but they're delicious. I love them. Once we get these things all stuffed, we're going to bake them for 20-25 minutes at the 375. So, yep, and I'm going to grab those other mushrooms, and we're going to just go ahead and stuff those too, because we got enough mixture. We're just going to break the centers out of them. Get them stuffed up. You can use this mixture on bagels too. I've done it. It's pretty good. Alright, one last little mushroom here. Get her packed full. Alright, there we go. We got a little bit of the mixture left over, but like I said, we'll use that on some bagels. So let me get this, I'm gonna get these arranged here. I'll move the bigger ones to the outside, smaller ones towards the inside. That way they kind of cook more evenly. Alright, that should do us. Alright, once my oven's done warming up, we'll pop these in, like I said, for about 20 minutes and 25 minutes, and we'll be good to go. So hang out. Alright, y'all, these are done. They've actually been done for a little bit, but I made me up a couple chopped burgers with some Gouda cheese. So, alright. Woo! That's hot. That's hot, hot, hot. Alright. You can see it's kind of browned there a little bit on the top, which is awesome. So, alright. Let's do our taste test. Alright, y'all. It's time for the taste test. We got our mushrooms and a couple chopped steaks there. So we're gonna try the little one here because it's bite size. So, oh, y'all, them are delicious. You definitely need to try them, especially with that little bit of that Cajun seasoning in there. Just a little extra spice on there. We like a little spice in life. So there you have it. How to make seafood stuffed mushroom caps. It's delicious. If you don't like mushrooms, I'm sorry, but I love them, and a lot of people out there do. So the ones that do, please give it a try. And these are really great on the grill. So you can make them up ahead of time. Make a whole tray of them up ahead of time. Take them to a party or whatever. Throw them on the old barbecue. 15-20 minutes. Yeah, and it does even better than in the oven. But you know, today we're working in the house, so we're working in the kitchen, so we're gonna eat it. So y'all have a great day. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, bon appetit.